Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to add forward contact on Android 14. First of all, you have to open your phone gallery. Then choose the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to and select edit. Now tap on add a picture and you can either pick one from the illustrations, some from your own Google Photos or from devices gallery. You can also grab a picture right now. But let me go back and choose one from the illustrations, for example this one. Here you can change the preset if you wish. And then tap on choose, click on save, and that's it. From now on this picture is assigned to the contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.